Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to analyze repositories using CodeGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So analyzing repositories using CodeGPT typically involves connecting your code repository to CodeGPT Studio and leveraging its knowledge graph capabilities to understand the code base. So first of all, you need to go and tap open your CodeGPT. Once you open your CodeGPT, you need to connect your repository. You need to create an account on CodeGPT Studio, connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account to CodeGPT Studio, granting it necessary access via OAuth authentication. Now you need to create the knowledge graph. Within the CodeGPT Studio, select the connected repository and specific branch you wish to analyze. Initiate the graph creation process, and CodeGPT will then index the entire codebase. Parsing files, functions, classes, and methods. After this, you can explore and query the graph and automated code review for specific CodeGPT features. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.